What if I told you you could stop working forever with just $500,000 in the bank? Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing you never have to work again. No deadlines, no commute, no boss. Just freedom, backed by $500,000 in the bank. Sounds impossible? Let's see how this dream could actually work. First, let's break down your living expenses. If you live in an affordable area and keep things simple, your annual costs, housing, food, utilities, transportation, and the basics could total around $20,000 a year. That means your $500,000 could last 25 years, and that's without factoring in any investment growth. But the secret to making this truly sustainable is one word: investing. Here's the magic. If you invest your $500,000 in a conservative portfolio, say a mix of index funds and bonds, you might expect an average return of 4 to 6% per year. Even at just 5%, that's $25,000 in yearly returns. So instead of your balance shrinking, your money is working for you, keeping up with inflation and even growing slowly over time. Now let's talk about passive income, because this is where things get interesting. Imagine owning a small rental property. After expenses, it could bring in a few hundred or even a few $1,000s a month. That's consistent, low-effort income, especially if you hire a property manager. Or maybe you prefer dividends, investing in reliable companies that pay you quarterly just for holding their stock. That's money hitting your account while you sleep. Of course, you'll need a safety net. An emergency fund of around $25,000 can cover unexpected repairs, medical bills, or anything life throws your way. This buffer keeps your investments intact and your stress levels low. So what does life actually look like when you're financially free? You're not chasing paychecks, you're chasing experiences. You can travel more, explore hobbies, volunteer, or even start a small side project just because you want to, not because you have to. It's not about being rich, it's about having choices. You decide how to spend your time, your money, and your energy. But here's one important habit: check in on your finances. Review your budget once or twice a year. Rebalance your portfolio if needed. The economy changes, inflation moves, life evolves, and staying flexible keeps your freedom secure. Even if you're living the dream, talking to a financial advisor can help you stay on track and find new opportunities. So, can you really live off $500,000? Yes, if you plan wisely, invest smartly, and spend intentionally. You don't need millions to feel free. You just need discipline, awareness, and a strategy that works for you. Because financial independence isn't about having endless money. It's about reaching the point where your money gives you the life you actually want. So take a closer look at your savings. You might be closer to that dream than you think. And if you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. We're just getting started on your path to financial freedom.